We're in Terlingua, Texas, just outside of Big Bend National Park. That's Big Bend over there. And this is the cemetery for the ghost town. It's in very bad shape, but they also cannot dig very deep due to it's all this rock. There we have a little birdie on the cross there by the beads. Yeah, he wants his picture taken. So I took it. Anyway, the grave sites do get visited, like this particular one. Lots of beads. Lots of crosses. I was just going to say they don't have names on them, but here's one. A priest. 1882, 1937. So I imagine out in the middle of nowhere, there aren't too many relatives still around. Any of the crosses that did have names on them are long gone. Although that one looks pretty freshly painted. So somebody must know somebody that's buried there. Ooh, I just got hit. Oh, again. Thorns. And they're sharp. This is the most popular place of the ghost town. I don't expect to see any ghosts. In here, the only thing you need to worry about is listening for the rattle of a rattlesnake. And hopefully his rattle works. So as we look over the cliff here, you can see it's nothing but wasteland. In its own way, it's pretty. quite a large cemetery. And we'll wander on, the rest with just pictures. So say goodnight. Here's a grave site that is well decorated. So there must be relatives of this person. I mean, they even have a chair or a seat here for them. This is actually a very new one. It was a man born in '56, died in 2007. There's all kinds of little mementos here. A Junior Ranger badge from the Blue Ridge Parkway. And this is a woman, 1943 to 2008. It's almost like a boot hill in here. Well, we got all kinds of stuff here. Oh, this is a brand new one. Man born in 1960, died in 2016. Very nice setting here. He obviously liked cats, because if you can see down there, there's a cat. Most of the grave sites, people leave mementos, anything to remind them of the person. I would say this person, Edward Harlan, who died in 2002, loved his beer. Because people have left a lot of beer bottles, beer cans. And there still is a very active cemetery. Because that's 2004. And then we have a 2007. And this person liked roosters. And he died in 2014.